I hope that you will understand. Come what may. I told you some minutes that it means आ चाहे जो हो जाए. Like that, come what may, I will go to school. Come what may, I will come here. Come what may, I will eat the food. Come what may, I will prepare the food, and many sentences. First structure before come what may. And second was subject will, and here we can use with shall plus action. And I want to tell you about will shall. So we use will shall iv with shall and other will, like that. You, they, he, she, and it with will. And come what may, I will come here. Come what may, I will go there, and many sentences. And my second structure, come what may. Plus subject plus will shall plus not plus action. Now I have only two structures, so I told you. Come what may, I will not go to school. Come what may, I will not go to house. Come what may, I will not come eat the food. Come what may, I will not prepare the food, and many sentences. So my topic has complete. Have you any questions?
Yes. Like that you said that I will have to prepare food.
Sorry, I shall.
So why were you creating?
I forgot.
And now you are a teacher. So
Yes.
You should, say that what you are speaking. You should think it firstly, then you should speak.
So shall, will.
Ma'am, did you listen carefully that what I said?
Yes, I listen. But we can also use iv all with we can use will.
So why didn't you tell before? When you were teaching, so why did you not tell that time?
Because I forgot, and I seemed that I can tell will.
So how can we use will with
Shall.
How can we use will with I and we?
Sir told me that we can use all will, but and if we say in future indefinite tense, so we will say that there will shall.
I want to ask that why we use I we with shall, not will.
What?
Why we use will with I and we? I am asking.
Will not. I told you shall.
When before some time you were saying that such that we can use will with all.
Yes.
So why not telling that how can we use I and will I and we?
Will.
Thank you. Now you are
Thank you,
okay.
sir.